Okay, okay na.
Hmm. The construction worker is Jericho Tobias, also known as Makmak. He is only 22 years old, but he is tall and muscular. He is a third-year criminology student, and he took time off from studying in order to earn money to help his parents and siblings in Dangkalan, Ilog. Makmak is removing 30-year-old concrete slabs from the driveway because they are already cracked and weak, and it will be replaced after 30 years with a new concrete slab which is still reinforced. So pwede mo na makuha. Mak, anong masiling mo sa imong family kag sa mga abyan kag sa mga classmates, Mak? Anong masiling mo sa ila?
Okay lang. Okay lang ka. So very happy kung makita ko sila kinakilala ko.
Sino ang imong utod or parents nga gusto gid nga i-greet subong?
Ay, greet ko tayo hindi ka. Greet tayo nga pamilya ko sa Kalubang or sa Imamaylan, mga Tobias ko. Sarap.
Yan, Tobias.
Mga abyan ko ah.
Pila ka mo kang bilog magutod?
Or,
Tigrit ang mga utod mo.
gusto ko tigre ko mga utod ko na sa Kalubang.
Sino ngalan nila?
Pagulangan ko nga si Jobert Tobias.
Jobert.
Ang kadua ko nga utod niya nga babae si Danilin Tobias kag si John Mark Tobias.
Danilin kag si John Mark. Ikapila ka? Ikapila ka sa mga ka-second ka? Ang kamanguran mo pila edad?
Nang 16.
Tigi nabuligan mo ni sila?
Sa eskwela college first year.
O ti anong ibilin mo sila kung magtubig mayo biyang balabi?
Kung kapamati, kung makikita nyo man, ang ako niya pinapansin nyo, tutom lang sa pag-eskwela. Kung sa pang arap pa pero sa ako pagkapuligin sa inyo.
Do you plan to graduate sa criminology?
Oo. Next year.
Next year. Sa din kag eskwela?
Niska.
Di nang niska.
Kabangkalan. May main sa Niska.
Ano meaning sang niska?
Negros States College of Agriculture. No action na.
Okay. Ti Makmak, thank you very much nga ari ka diri. Pasalamat kita sa Ginoo nga nakakita ka di obra. Salamat gid sa bulit mo ha. Padayon na lang to.
Samtang kaya pa ang lawas.
This is a difficult work, but this has to be done because for a long time this driveway is already cracked and it's not really good looking, and it's not as sturdy and strong as it was when it was built 30 years ago by the previous owner of this house. See, the only remedy is to remove all this driveway pavement and replace it with a new one. This time there will be steel reinforcement inside the new concrete. Makmak was given a pair of black tennis shoes for him to use them every day, but instead of using them, he is keeping them because he finds the old pairs of shoes very good and very nice. He thinks they're still new, so he's more comfortable with barefooted. Anyway, he's taking care that his feet will not be wounded. Halungi lang, Mac, ha? Basi maigo tail mo. Dali naman lang, ha? 2 minutes remaining. I think this pavement was built in the early 80s because the stones were not yet crushed. During those time, they were not using the crushers like what happened to the stones, which have undergone crushing. So these are what you call gravel, crushed stones. I think this started coming out in the 1990s. Sige, nakamot mo lang, Mac. Sakuon mo lang na, no? Ibutang mo lang na sa sako. Okay. Okay. Although this is really a difficult job to do because you're going to use your muscles and bronze, yet this is a decent job because Mac at the age of 22 is sacrificing his studies just to earn money for his family. And Dangkalan is about 110 kilometers south of Bacolod City. Dangkalan is a village, or in our local dialect, barangay. You know, that place is famous because of a sad incident that took place there not long time ago. Nagapangamuyo ka man, Mac, nagapray ka man antes ka magobra, antes ka magtulog na. You are always praying every day. Oh. Oh, somebody has arrived. I think that person is no one else but a close friend. Hari ka na? Kamusta? Kamusta? Okay. Nagasigi-sige na to sila. Sige, it's already 8 minutes, Mac. Tapusan na lang na, kay off ko na ni. Pero ipaigadigad mo gid. Isla na siya dahil isang butangan na kabilya mo. Tanong abla, wala sa una ya crusher, kadagko sang bato.
Oo.
Nagaway pa crusher uso sang una.
Pero lang to, wabla way nagka-crack.
Jericho, inom ka gid permi tubig to.
Ay,
Kag-
gustuhan nyo na.
Wala na. Jericho is just like my son, but he's stronger than I am. Pila ka oras tulog mo every day? Mga pila ka oras tulog mo?
Vincent, ng tulog sa mga 7 or 8 katulog na ko,
Okay.
pero
Mga 8 hours man tulog mo.
depende. Ngarapis sa nga 10. Pero pag ukto wala lang katulog.
Tani magbalik ka sa Dangkalan, maupod ka to kay Manong mo Junjun Simba tuon may Bible study. Pud-upod ka to kag mag Bible study ka mo, Mac.
Born again.
Ay, very good. Laing gid.
Kaya harap sa may mga obras pa lang na.
Sige, oo.
Wala na, kung simba lang ko kung wala obras pa lang na.
O, sige, Mac.
Pabulit mo.
So Mac is also helping his father work in a rice farm. It's a small rice farm, but he's helping his father. Jericho or Mac Tobias. Okay. The concrete that was poured about an hour ago is getting harder and drier. Okay. Mac, thank you, Gid, ha?
Sige. Bili na.
Ahay, na-interview man si Makmaki daw artista. Siya nga gin-interview ko.